Do you want to learn how to do this really simple two-strand twisted style? Well, stick around. I'm going to go into the hair salon so I can show you how to do it. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Collection and the Curl House Academy Let's Get Growing program. So Curl House community, I hear you. I posted a video of my hair like this, or it was a version of this hairstyle, and I got so many comments, so many people requesting for me to do a video on how did I do this hairstyle. So I hear you, I got you. So we are going to head over to the hair salon where I can show you, or my stylist is going to show you exactly how she achieved this look. And I want you to stick around because after I give you the instructions, I'm also going to tell you how to maintain it. To achieve this two-strand twist style, it is important that the hair is blow-dried straight. You do not have to blow-dry your hair out so that it is super straight, but you want to make sure that you get most of the moisture out of your hair. Now it's time to part your hair. This look requires a side part. You can place your part to the left or to the right side. Start at the temple to create your part. Curve the comb so that it reaches the top or crown part of your hair, and then part your hair in the back directly down the middle. Now let's clean up that part and make it even more pristine and neat. Pull out your favorite edge control gel and apply it along your part line. Now use a rat tail comb to clean up the part to make sure it is super neat and smooth the gel into the hair along the part line. This gives you a better view of the shape of the part. Now apply your edge control all throughout the hairline. To keep the hair smooth, apply additional gel close to the hairline and comb the hair or brush it to smooth out the hairline and hair. Now take a styling cream or a moisturizing buttercream and apply it to the remaining portion of the hair shaft. Now comb the hair through one more time to make sure it is tangle-free, smooth, and ready for twisting. Start your two-strand twist close to the part line. Keep the two-strand twist as close as possible to the forehead. Your twist will get bigger and fuller as you twist further to the back of your head. One section is all done. Now let's move to the other side. If the hair starts to tangle towards the end, take a comb to detangle to keep the end smooth. Okay, we are all done. The twists are a little tight on day one, but as the style gets older, the twists will swell, create more volume, and the style will look much fuller. Now, let's discuss how to maintain this style. Now, wasn't that easy to achieve? You all can do it. And just as easy as it was to put the style in, it is just as easy to maintain it. So in terms of maintenance, I basically just do two things. Every day I spray a little bit of oil in my hair, oil to keep it lubricated. About every 4 days, I put a little bit of lightweight leave-in conditioner. But I warn you, when you put water-based products in a style like this, it's going to cause the hair to swell, so you may not be able to keep it for a long time. So if you know your hair is properly hydrated going into the style, you can just put oil in your hair. But for me, I know I need a little bit of moisturizer, so I put in a light leave-in conditioner on day 4. And then tip 2, I tie my hair down at night. So I just tie it down with the scarf to keep the hair smooth in the front. And pretty much that's it. This hairstyle typically lasts me about 1 week. That's it. So it's not a style that I wear for a long time, again, because I need to moisturize my hair. So I put water-based products in it to moisturize it. But for you, if you want to stretch it for 2 weeks, then you really have to stay away from the water-based products. So I encourage you to do what is best for you and for your hair. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. If you don't know by now, Curl House also is a product line. So I have a product line that I'm going to relaunch very soon. This summer, I would love for you to join my relaunch party. You can join the wait list above. I'll also put it down in the description. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fast.